Sure, I'm Tom Streitz. I'm the housing director for the City of Minneapolis, invited down by the American Architectural Foundation to consult the City of New Orleans on a very exciting project. So last year I was invited to participate in the Design Academy in Washington, D.C. as a participant. We brought a project from the City of Minneapolis forward, and so this year I was invited as part of the design team. Very unique experience, and kind of been able to see the Design Academy from both sides, both as a participant in the project and now as a design member. Yes, there was a breakthrough in thinking. I mean, we were at a point where we felt a little bit stuck. There was a name given to this development that we didn't feel like really accurately reflected what the project wanted to accomplish. And so by asking some really tough questions, we were able to, the epiphany moment really became, this is something, this project that's going to be transformative project between the downtown of New Orleans and the neighborhood. This is now going to be entitled the Gateway Project. And that, I think that concept really changed everyone's thinking about how the building, the campus relates to both sides of New Orleans, both the business district and the neighborhood district. So we redesigned the whole perimeter of the project to really reflect this notion that this is a transition between downtown into the neighborhood with sustainable features around gardening, fencing, artwork on the corners. So that was the epiphany, I think, for all of us, is that this is a signature product, really, which is a great transition, a gateway, if you will, in many ways, between downtown and the neighborhood. Well, I think that we had a couple breakthroughs. Number one is, in a sense, the local project was in the mind of the developer very well conceived already. And what we did is ask them as a design team to take a step back from their campus plan and to think more contextually about the larger neighborhood in New Orleans, about the larger city, and really understand from a visual and a conceptual point of view how this project relates to the larger urban environment. And once we were able to step back, then we could get into the details. I think that was a bit of a breakthrough. We also had, I think, a breakthrough about sustainable uses on site, how to engage larger community and community building around the site, and bringing in partners to help fund the development as well. Well, if another city and another project is considering the Design Academy, this is what I would say. It's an opportunity to basically take your project, fly somewhere, and get together in a room of people who are going to honestly critique your project, give you a fresh set of eyes, and in a period of about 12 hours, deconstruct your project, reconstruct it in a way that's really holistic, and give you some very provocative ideas. In the case of Puerto Rico and Caguas, who's here now, we actually developed a whole new structure for funding and framing their development. So it's an exciting opportunity. You have to step back a little bit and say, I'm going to be prodded, I'm going to be poked, and it's okay. And at the end of the day, that prodding, that poking, I think makes all these projects better.